everybody, I'm Richa Iyer and today I'll be reading Mother Call That Bird by Mitralal Pangyari. Mother, please call that bird that lives on the tree. Mother, please throw the bird some grain so that it comes to us. Mother, I want to see how the bird eats the grains. Mother, how will she land on her feet? Mother, how will she walk on the ground? Mother, the bird might be thirsty. Let's put out some water for her. Mother, the bird is so beautiful. Mother, I want to listen to her song. Mother, I want to see how she dances. Mother, I want to play with the bird. Mother, let's make a swing for her with a string. Mother, the bird's feet are bare. Let's give her shoes. Mother, the bird has no clothes. Let's sew clothes for her. Mother, the bird is my friend. Mother, please tell the bird to stay with us forever. The end.